all, today we are going to learn small letters A to Z with their phonic sounds. A, A. B, B. C, C. D, D. E, E. F, F. G, G. H, H. I, I. J, J. K, K. L, L. M, M. N, N. O, P, P. Q, Q. R, R. S, S. T, T. U, U. V, V. W, W. X, X. Y, Y. Z, Z. Now you know your ABC. Let's revise our small letter ABC. Small A, small B, small C, small D, small E, small F, small G, small H, small I, small J, small K, small L, small M, small N, small O, small P, small Q, small R, small S, small T, small U, small V, small W, small X, small Y, small Z. Hope you like the video. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.